what is up? So, a lot of things happened since my last checkup. First thing is, I gained a lot for my total number of subscribers. So yeah, I gained a lot. So thank you guys very much. I love you all. Very nice. Second thing, it turns out I'm totally stupid. The gloves, mate, the gloves. Oh yeah. So, story is, I ordered the gloves from the Czech eShop, and there was a big delay with delivery of the gloves. So I called, we talked, and turns out they are gonna be ready to ship in like September or something. And I was like, nah man, I'm not waiting that long for that shit. So I cancelled the order. I found a new eShop. It's actually a German eShop. It looked pretty nice, so I ordered the gloves, and yeah man, they arrived actually in like 4th or 5th day or something. It was super fast. But there is the plot twist. Because I'm dumb, I ordered the L size and it's too small for me. Yay! Good job, me, seriously, good job. And that's not all. I did an unbox video as usual, and turns out there was a pretty bad stitching on the right glove, on the ring finger, I guess. So the stitching was partially gone and partially loose. Not good. So I ended up paying another, well, it was pretty cheap, but anyhow, it was my cash, so I ended up paying for the shipping back to the company, which was pretty easy. And I had two reasons for it. The gloves were badly made and the size was too small. And now I'm actually waiting for my gloves to arrive back to the shop and for them to take some kind of action, and hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully they will exchange my gloves for the bigger ones for the same price. Because, you know, I didn't wear the gloves. I mean, I wore them for like 5 minutes in my garage when I test fitted them, and man, it was tight. It was so tight. I mean, I could probably made it out, but it would be a really painful process of stretching them to my hands. So I was like, nah, fuck it. And the stitching, I was sad about that. It just sucks. So yeah, fingers crossed for me, and I'm waiting for the gloves again. Partially it was my mistake because I'm dumb. I can't even measure my hands properly, so yeah, good job. That's a quick update about the gloves. It's a pain in the ass, man, pain in the ass. So with all that said, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.